In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Chatgpt with Zoom. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable way to pass information from Zoom into Chatgpt using an automation platform so you can summarize meetings, draft follow-ups, or even generate visuals from your Zoom activity. First, sign into your Zoom account and your Chatgpt account. Make sure you have the right Zoom permissions for the data you want to use. If you plan to react to recordings, confirm that cloud recording is enabled in your Zoom settings and that you have permission to access those files. On the Chatgpt side, ensure you can connect through the OpenAI app in your automation tool. You'll authenticate when prompted, and you should never paste any private keys directly into shared fields. Next, sign into your Zapier account. You'll create a new Zap that connects Zoom as the trigger and OpenAI as the action. When Zapier asks to connect your accounts, authorize Zoom and OpenAI so Zapier can pull sample data and send instructions on your behalf. If you're using a work Zoom, you might need admin approval. It's best to check in advance to avoid connection issues. Now choose your Zoom trigger. You have a few useful options. New cloud recording fires after a meeting's cloud recording has processed, perfect for sending the recording link and description to Chatgpt for an instant summary. New registrant runs when someone registers for a meeting or webinar, which you can use to create a personalized welcome message. New meeting activates whenever you create a meeting, useful for generating an agenda or prep notes. After selecting the trigger, Zapier will fetch a recent example so you can see real data, like the meeting topic, description, or registration details. If nothing appears, create a quick test meeting or registration, then try again. Finally, configure the Chatgpt side using the OpenAI action. Choose to create a chat completion